This is the AegisSync, Townsteel's newest mechanical electronic lock. To use the lock, use an RFID fob designed to look and feel like a physical key. Insert it, turn it, you're in. That's it. No PIN codes, no hassle. Designed specifically for senior living and multifamily residential. The simplicity of the hardware is intentional. Fewer credential options mean fewer support calls, fewer lockouts, and less time your staff spends away from their desk. Data and access capabilities can be managed both offline at the lock and online through our Aegis Secure software via Gateway, where you can manage credentials, pull audit trails, and electronically rekey any unit instantly, all from one place. AegisSync uses a local server as well, so there is no recurring fee strings attached. The AegisSync, simple by design. Coming soon to Townsteel.